Hello, namaste. How are you all? I am fine. Hope the same from your side. Yesterday, one of my students had come to meet me. He had got a new job, his first job, so he was happy. And while talking, I told him, every month, learn to keep some amount aside. He told, ma'am, in the beginning my payment is so less. How I can keep aside? I told, keep 100, 500, 1000, whatever you can. Whatever you can save. He said, 100 rupees or 500 rupees, what difference it will make? I told him, it makes a lot of difference. Though you feel it won't make any difference, it makes a lot of difference. Then I shared a story with him. The same story I feel like sharing with you. Once what happened, there was a man taking a morning walk at the beach, seashore. He saw that along with the morning tide came hundreds of starfish. Starfish, you are knowing, if you have gone to Goa and all, you might have seen. And when the tide recedes, they were left behind, and with the morning sun rays, they would die. Because you are knowing, starfish, the tide was fresh and the starfish were alive. The man took a few steps, picked one and threw it into the water. He did that repeatedly. He went on doing again and again. Right behind him, there was another man who couldn't understand what this man was doing. There are hundreds of starfish. How many can you help? He said, can you help every fish? No. What difference does it make? The man did not reply. Took 2 more steps, picked up another one, threw it into the water and said, it makes a difference to this one. The fish which I have thrown into the water, you are knowing, my action has made a lot of difference for that starfish. Why? Because that starfish got a new life. So what difference are we making? Big or small, it doesn't matter. If everyone made a small difference, we would end up with a big difference, wouldn't we? Even suppose if you don't have the practice of getting up early in the morning, daily make it a habit to get up 10 minutes early the next day. Suppose you are getting up at 7 o'clock. Tomorrow, get up at 6:50. 10 minutes earlier. You may ask me what it makes, what the difference it will make. Then the next day again 10 minutes earlier. Like this, go on making. Only 10 minutes, nothing else. Tell me whether it will make a difference or not. Yes, it makes a lot of difference. Suppose daily, if you study any subject, 10 minutes, the subject which you feel little bit hard, challenging, Make it practice. Daily you will study one page of that subject. Study means with full understanding. Keep on doing it. What will happen? You will start finding interest in that subject and you will do well in that subject. So don't say that what the difference it will make. Each and every action makes a lot of difference. A lot of difference. Even for many people tell me, what difference it will make giving all these lectures to the youngsters? Who is bothered to listen all this? They are bothered now all new things, unwanted rubbish they are after. Who is interested in developing themselves? Is it right? No, I don't believe. I don't mind even out of 100. If 10 of them follow the good things, if they change their life, I feel a lot of difference has been done. And many times it is there people come and tell me that yes, it has helped me a lot. I feel happy. I don't expect that each and every one should feel that. But at least if you are doing it, if you understand that, it makes the difference. So, my dear friends, for any work or anything, don't be under the impression what difference it will make. Even small steps will make a lot of difference. Suppose whenever we start our journey, it starts with a small step. Yes or no? Even the journeys of thousands of miles, it starts with the first step. It makes a lot of difference. So with that first step, they will be able to walk thousands of miles. Very recently, I met a group of people who had finished Narmada Parikrama. They were walking throughout and they had completed it within 4 months. Just imagine. Within 4 months, they were able to complete the parikrama of Narmada river. That too walking, not using any vehicle or anything. In the beginning, what they might have thought? Definitely, they would have felt doubtful whether I will be able to complete this. So many miles of journey. That too, throughout the day you will be walking. You won't be knowing where you will stay, whether you will get food for that day or not. Really, they were doubtful. But what happened? After 4 months, successfully they completed their parikrama. So this is our life as well. Whenever we start, in the beginning, we are doubtful. So for any work, don't tell what difference it will make. If it is little bit. Even if you are working or daily, if you start working 5 minutes more, in the beginning you may feel what the difference it will make. See, in due course, it will make a lot of difference. So, even small steps which we follow in our life, they make a lot of difference. Have a good day.